Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Flexion, adduction, external rotation, elbow, flexion to extension, forearm supination, wrist joint, flexion, radial deviation, fingers will be flexion. This is D1 flexion. Okay, here extension, abduction, internal rotation, shoulder. Okay, extension, abduction, internal rotation, elbow, flexion to extension, forearm, pronation. Then here wrist joint will go for extension, ulnar deviation, fingers will go for extension. Okay, so suppose we have one chota here, some mango tree, something tree is there, we have to give that mango to that chota. What we'll take and we'll give it. Chota is sitting down, we'll take and we'll give it. That's it. So D1 flexion, D1 extension. Clear? Now we'll see D2. D2 flexion, here only flexion, abduction, external rotation of the shoulder, elbow, flexion to extension, forearm, supination, wrist joint will be extension, and then radial deviation, fingers will be like extension. So this D2 flexion, adduction, internal rotation, shoulder joint, see, adduction, internal rotation, elbow, flexion to extension, then pronation, forearm will be pronation, here wrist joint will be flexion, ulnar deviation, fingers flexion. So this you know already, we mean maybe secondary, it's like one big knife is there, come on, like this will take this D2 extension, this one, this is D2 flexion, D2 extension, D2 flexion. Okay, for D1 here shoulder flexion I told, some foot there, something. D2 we discussed like a knife, something like that. Lower limb, do you know? Like simple to remember, no idea. Okay, so we are seeing lower limb D1 flexion. Tell hero. Flexion, adduction, external rotation, knee flexion to extension, ankle dorsiflexion, eversion, toe flexion. So these the movements. See how it is. It is just like suppose one ball is here and one more ball is here. It is just like we are going to touch that ball and again we are touching like this. Okay, two balls are there, one ball. Just like we will touch here and again we will touch here. So here D1 flexion, hip flexion, adduction, external rotation, knee joint flexion to extension. The ankle joint will go for dorsiflexion, eversion, toes will go for flexion. This D1 flexion. Hero. Abduction, internal rotation, flexion to extension, plantar flexion, inversion, toes flexion. So that's it. Okay, here abduction, internal rotation, knee joint flexion to extension, here plantar flexion and eversion. See, like this we will see D1 flexion, D1 extension, D1 flexion, D1 extension. Now D2 flexion, how hero? Flexion, abduction, internal rotation, flexion to extension, dorsiflexion, eversion, extension, toe extension. This you know that mnemonic is just like we are going to kick. It's like Bruce Lee. Okay, like this we will do. So here flexion, abduction, internal rotation, knee joint flexion to extension. Then it is dorsiflexion, eversion, toes also will go for extension. This D2 flexion, D2 extension, hip adduction, external rotation, flexion to extension, ankle plantar flexion, inversion, toes flexion. So like this, just we are going to kick the ball and come back. Okay, it's like this and will be like this. So that's D2 flexion extension. Bas.